Rolling north on US Highway 95, Tonopah comes into view. A high desert town built on silver and dust. At just over 6,000 feet elevation, this stretch of central Nevada has seen fortunes rise and fall. What's left behind is quiet, a little eerie, and full of character. Tonopah began as a mistake. In 1900, prospector Jim Butler was out looking for a lost mule when he picked up a rock to throw, and realized it was unusually heavy. That rock turned out to be silver ore, and within months, the Tonopah mining district exploded. By 1905, this tiny patch of desert had turned into one of Nevada's largest silver producers. For a while, Tonopah was the beating heart of the state. Dozens of mines, thousands of residents, a major stop between Reno and Las Vegas. But like all boom towns, the bust came fast. As the ore dried up, so did the people. Today, fewer than 2,000 remain, but the town refuses to disappear. Coming into the heart of town, you'll pass one of Tonopah's most infamous attractions, the Clown Motel. Opened in 1985, it's become a roadside legend. The office is packed with hundreds of clown dolls, and the theme carries into every room. Some love it, some avoid it, but everyone remembers it. And just behind the motel, the Tonopah Cemetery, final resting place for many miners who died during the town's early years, including victims of the Belmont mine fire in 1911. Some say the Clown Motel is haunted. Whether or not that's true, it's become one of the most photographed places in Nevada. Further into town, Tonopah shows off its roots. The Tonopah Historic Mining Park lets visitors explore original mine shafts, hoist houses, and equipment used over a century ago. You'll see murals along the roadside, nods to the town's wild past, and maybe even a few wild burros wandering nearby. Today, Tonopah lives in the space between ghost town and living town. It has its own quiet rhythm, a gas station or two, a couple of cafes, a few neon signs that still buzz at night. It's not a place you pass through without noticing, and once you've seen it, you won't forget it. If you like drives like this, real towns, real roads, and no fluff, hit that subscribe button. I've got more coming from the cab of this rig, and there's a long road ahead.